Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to take the truck and we're going to go to the car wash. I'll wash it and vacuum out the floorboards because we got some new stuff going to be going in, specifically some floor mats. Got some rough country floor mats. So first, let's get her cleaned up and vacuumed. Cold start real quick. To the car wash. Almost always forget before I go that I need to flip in my mirrors or they get knocked back, which is not cool. Always makes me nervous when I pull into one of these things. The tire's gonna like get messed up from the track. Oh well. I was vacuuming the floors and moving stuff around the vacuum floors in the back, and I noticed got water coming in through my, I'm not sure where. I would think it would be through the third brake light, because those are known to have leaking issues, but I think it might be through my back window, because it's like, oh, there's water right here and right here, but there's nothing on the headliner. Not sure what's going on. It does look like it's coming through this window somehow. So that's not cool, but I'm gonna have to check that out at some point. Yeah, so I'm liking the look of these so far. Hopefully they stay in place. So back at the house, it's kind of noisy at the car wash with all the vacuuming. So first impressions, I like the mats. They look really good. I got the black ones because I don't really love the tan interior on my truck. So in order to kind of, you know, negate some of the tan, I'm putting in some different black colored things like the floor mats, and I'm going to be doing a wood grain panel looking delete on like the dash panel stuff and the door panels where the wood grain is, and going to be putting like some carbon fiber wrap over it. So just things like that. But the mats, they seem really durable. They weren't like what I expected. I thought they would be a little bit more kind of rubberized, but they actually seem, you know, pretty durable. And they definitely like enhance the look of the interior of the truck for sure for me. I think even the back looks like the best. to me, because it kind of gives it, you know, this like nice smooth color and texture versus the tan floorboard color look, because the tan kind of is more prone to like looking dirty, you know, track dirt easy. And these are super cool because they get dirty, you just pull it out and like hose it off, you know, wipe it down, and it's going to be super awesome during the wintertime when I get all kinds of nasty like salts and you know, dirt from my shoes and melted snow accumulating, and they've got little pockets where they kind of keep that stuff from running into your floor. So overall, I'm pretty impressed, and I like them a lot. You know, time will tell, see how they hold up. The little bit backstory on them, I got a gift card I bought them from AmericanTrucks.com. I got a gift card from them because I commented on one of their videos they put on YouTube, and I won $150 worth of store credit for them. So I was like, you know, there's a lot of stuff on their website. Some of it is, you know, too expensive. I kind of just wanted something, you know, something easy like this, and so it was a pretty good purchase. They were like 160 bucks, so I paid 10 bucks for them. You know, they're essentially free. So yeah, it's kind of hard to beat that. So yeah, just kind of checking in with you guys and sharing the new interior look on my truck. So yeah, if you like this video, please you know, like it, and if you don't, you know, that's fine. Tell me why. Tell me things I can improve on. And subscribe if you see this video. If you're new to my channel, just subscribe for me. If you want to continue to see content from me, mainly just my truck, just things, if you have a truck like it, or just you find it interesting, I try to post as many things as I can about the truck. I got some stuff planned coming soon. Actually, I bought some new spark plugs because I have no idea if the ones in my truck right now are original. So I got some new spark plugs. Those are going to go in. That's supposedly a nightmare job. I've been doing a lot of research trying to figure out, you know, the best way to do it. So those are going in. I got some rotors and brakes for the front, so I gotta redo the brakes in the front, so those are going to go in. So yeah, I got lots of things planned, and I'll try to record everything as much as I can. This is by no means a how-to video on anything that I pretty much do. It's mainly kind of like a blog for my truck, or a vlog for my truck. So sometimes I'm not as thorough as I would like to be on recording. Sometimes I don't have time to make longer videos like I would like to, but so yeah. And then one of the things I add on the end of this video is I always get like really nervous when I talk on camera. I actually have a little bit of a background on the other side of the camera as far as filming and whatnot, so this is a little bit of an uncomfortable area for me, having to like talk on camera. So I'm trying to get, you know, more used to it, and one of the things I actually was like struggling with was just trying to like be a certain way on camera. And I know this happens to a lot of YouTubers. They try to, you know, be a certain way, like be more excited than they actually are, to try to like keep people entertained, and I'm just not that kind of person. I'm actually going to try real hard to, going forward in future videos, to try not to be as nervous, just kind of be myself, just talk. It's a lot easier for me to just, you know, talk to the camera like I'm having a conversation, versus like trying to think of what I'm going to say and like script it and all this stuff. So hopefully that'll make the video quality a little bit better going forward, and hope you guys will enjoy it a little bit better and get to know me a little bit better. You know, the real me, not the me trying to act like someone that's recording videos and don't know what they're doing, because I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just doing this for fun. So yeah, enough on that. Like I said, if you like this video, like it, subscribe to my channel if you want. But stay tuned for some more upcoming stuff, and hope you have a great day and a great week ahead of you. Thanks.